and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I'm still catching up on boxes, and I believe this is the October box of Confetti Collection. So there's been tons of videos out there, so I'm sorry that I'm a little bit behind. I do love the subscription, and I want to say it's like under $20. So a great price. I will leave the link for it below. I don't know if there's a discount code or not, but you'll see what a great box it is. So you open it up, and they pack it super, super nice. And again, you can keep all the wrappings and stuff, so if you have to ship other boxes, it's great to have. Now there is the poppy paper, and you know I love to pop me some paper. So you open it up, and there's this pink bundle in here. Don't think there's anything else in here but the papers that I get all over. But again, they're great for keeping and packing. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. I'm doing this on a Monday, so I'm hoping to get it up today as well. So in today's little bag, it says surprise treasure hunt box. Who doesn't have the thrill of a treasure hunt? We're curated some of our favorite treasures just for you to start hunting through this box to see what they are. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Let me just rip that off. And I remembered my scissors. Okay, sorry, I have to try again. I just can't get this to stay. But the first thing that I opened is a notepad with the creepy bug. It's a beetle. But look at how thick. See it? How thick this pad is. So it's a great to-do list. Just watch out for the bug, because you know I'm gonna think it's real and keep swatting it. So the next thing in the box, it says hello gorgeous, and it's a compact mirror. This is how it's wrapped. I don't know if I've ever seen them. You know, they're like a stationery, notepads, cards, gift wrap. But I don't know if I've ever seen like an accessory like this. And it says hello gorgeous. And let's see if I can do this without breaking a nail. Oh, so it is a mirror. It'll probably shine on you. So this is really pretty. Yeah, I've never seen them put anything like this in here before. Okay, and we are tipping. And the next thing, they usually put one of these in different colors. It's a little bow and some ribbon to tie. So I think I've gotten blues and pinks. So that's nice. Then there's this little itty bitty book. It's got mushrooms on it. And of course, I can't open it. Oh, it's a little things that, little tabs that you can write things on and put on a page to save your page. Super, super cute. So that's nice. Then there's an address book. I'm not going to open it because I will probably gift this, because I have the Erin Condren book, so I probably won't use that. The next thing is a recipe card. I've been taking a bunch of recipes off of Pinterest, so, and I write them down, so this will be awesome. And is this a necklace? It looks like a necklace. I guess I have to open it. Or it's a bookmark. That's what it is. It's a bookmark. This is the tassel. And I'm going to leave this. I'm going to leave this in the packaging because I definitely am going to gift this. Because I know who I'm going to gift it to. And the last thing is a notebook. It's got the gold edges. It's really pretty. I guess I can't gift this because I won't be able to see what's in it. They wrap their things so nice. And again, I will leave the link below because this isn't really a bad price for a box. And it would also make a great gift. Just need to terrorize my book. So it's probably a journal. It's got the gold pages. And it looks like it's a planner because it has the dates at the top that you can just fill in for any year. But this is really pretty, and especially with the gold edges. So just to recap, I got this beautiful journal, the beautiful bookmark that I hope you can see, recipe cards, an address book, this beautiful Hello Gorgeous mirror, oops, that almost was on the ground, some ribbon, and my favorite one of all, my little bug with the notepad. So let me know what you thought of this box. As I said, it comes with such fun stuff every time. You never, except for the ribbon, you really never get the same type of product. So please feel free to leave me a comment below. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.